Character modeling. Making your characters is probably one of the most time-consuming and laborious things you'll do in your 3D animation journey. Your characters are going to occupy a big majority of your video. They have to stand out. Kind of like that spot the main character meme. Yeah. Speaking of which, hi, I'm Jeff, and these are my notes on making animated videos. If you like these, punch that subscribe button, please. Thank you. Okay, modeling also poses another problem. The transition from 2D drawings to 3D objects. This requires some time to get used to. This whole adding a third dimension takes some trial and error. My best recommendation here is to not be a perfectionist. Ah yes, the bane of every artist's existence. Perfectionism. Work with what you got. You will get better every time you make a character. It's better to have several average works that slowly get better than one maybe good one that took you too long to make. You can do it, man. I believe in you.